welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's encode the logic. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to discuss about expressions in Python. Before watching this video, I request you to watch the video which I have uploaded earlier. They are operators in Python and operators precedence and associativity. I will provide the links in the description box. Please do check it and watch them. After watching them, come to this video. So, what are expressions in Python? Let us say 5 minus 2 plus 3 into A minus B, where A equal to some 4 and B equal to 7. So this 5 minus 2 plus 3 into A minus B is called as an expression. So let's see the definition. An expression is any legal combination of symbols. Symbols in the sense like variables, constants, and operators. So if you see 5, 2, 3, these are constants, and A, B are variables, which are holding the value of 4 and 7 respectively. And also the operators, minus, plus, into, minus, these are operators. So there's a legal combination of symbols that represents a value. So if we compute this expression, we will get a value, right? So that is called as an expression. An expression must have at least one operand. So an expression is called as an expression if it contains at least one operand, one or more operand, and can have one or more operators. And next, operand is the value on which operator is applied. Operand, so the 5, 2, 3, A, B, these are operands, is the values. So these are holding some values on which operators is applied. On them only we are applying the operators, right? These operators use constants and variables to form an expression. So these operators will use constants and variables that will form an expression. So this whole thing is an expression. Now, next one is A into B plus C minus 5 is an example of an expression where plus into minus are operators, A, B, C are variables, and 5 is a constant. And when an expression has more than one operand, then the expression is evaluated by using the operator's precedence chart. We have discussed this operator precedence concept in the previous video. Please go through that video before coming to this video. I have provided the link in the description box. So then the expression is evaluated using the operator precedence. We will use operator precedence to solve this expression. And next, an example of an illegal expression can be A plus comma minus B or less than Y plus plus. These are illegal because this is the rule. An expression must have at least one operand, but it was having only one operand, not more than one. So this was an illegal. This is also an illegal, and this is also an illegal. When the program is compiled, it also checks the validity of an expression. So at first, it will check whether the expression is valid or not. If an illegal expression is encountered, an error message is displayed. Okay. Let us first evaluate this thing. A equal to 4, B equal to some 7. Now I will do 5 minus 2 plus 3 into A minus B. So the output was 8. Using operator's precedence, the output is 8. Now let's do this. Let's compute this A plus and minus B. Now A plus, it's give me a syntax error, invalid syntax, because this is not at all an expression, right? Next, B minus, it is also syntax error. And next, types of expressions. Python supports different types of expression that can be classified as follows. Based on the position of operators in an expression, these types of expression include infix expression, prefix expression, postfix expression. First one is infix expression. It is the most commonly used type of expression in which the operator is placed in between the operands. Infix expression means, so the operator is placed between the operands within. So in is something like inside the operands, between the operands. And next, prefix expression. In this type of expression, the operator is placed before the operands. So pre means before. So B and C are operands. Before the operands, we place this operator. Next one is postfix expression. By the name itself, we can say postfix means after the expression. In this type of expression, the operator is placed after the operands. So B and C are operands, and minus is the operator which is placed after the expression. Next, Based on the data type of the result obtained on evaluating an expression, these types of expression include constant expression, one that involves only constants. Example, 8 plus 9 minus 2. So in this expression, we have only taken constants. There is no variables in it. So this is constant expression. Integrals expression, one that produces an integer result after evaluating the expression. See, a equal to 10, b equal to 5. If we compute c equal to a into b, it will be 50. And if we print c, it will give an integer. So this kind of expression is called as integral expression because the output was an integer. And then the floating point expression. If the output is a floating point value, then that is a floating point expression. If you do 10 into 5 by 2, 50 by 2, that was 25.0. So this is just a division, not a float division. Right. And next, relational expression, one that returns true or false. So if see this expression c equal to a into b, 10 is greater than 5, this will gives you the output of true. So then this expression is relational expressions. And then the logical expression, one that combines two or more relational expressions and returns a value as true or false. This is one relation, and this is also another relation. We combine this relation with a logical operator, right? And returns the value might be true or false, then that was logical expression. So if we use a logical operator in between two relational expressions, then that was a logical expression. And next, bitwise expression. Bitwise expression means it mainly work on bits, zeros and ones, one that manipulates data at the bit level. So then that was bitwise expressions. So if the output will be based on manipulating the bits, then that was a bitwise expression. And assignment expression, one that assigns a value to a variable. If you see, here we assign a plus b to c. So this is an assignment expression. So that's it about expression and types of expression in Python. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!